So we've stayed at this Hilton Garden Inn like a lot of times over the years, and we have never gone to the Future of Flight Museum that is literally across the street. Now's the time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. Nice to be in orbit.
It's just another fact of life for me, really. One that you wanna listen to. What's going on, man? The freestyle official, dude. The drop of the beat. Thought was fat. The drop of a rap, the drop of a beat you might have listened to and thought was fat. Watch him chop it up and make you feel the groove. Feel so rude. Check that mic, make sure it sound right, boy.
She always was a better driver than me.
Oh, it flipped.